friends, welcome back to Trina's Humble Homestead. Have you ever used that Poo Pouri spray that when you go to the restroom, it kind of keeps your bathroom from smelling? I looked and it's like $10 to buy, like even smaller than this. This is a glass bottle. I actually decided I was going to use a plastic spray bottle because we are going on our yearly cruise. And if you've ever seen the cabins, they're pretty small. Our room, it will be myself and my 5-year-old grandson, Peyton. And then we have a very small bathroom. And then in the adjoining cabin will be my son, my daughter-in-law, and my 2-year-old grandson, who still, he's potty training, so he still has diapers. And I thought, if you get a stinky diaper, we will have this. So I am going to show you how simple it is to make the Poo Pouri at home with stuff you probably already have. And to make a bottle that you would purchase for 10 bucks, it's literally going to be 50 cents or less. So let's get into it. I'm going to try to turn the camera down a little bit here so you can see what I'm doing. All right, I'm not sure if that is going to give us enough down angle. Let's give it a try. So what I'm going to use is I have 1/3 cup of filtered water right here. If you don't have filtered, you could distill it, boil it. You just want to get all the chemicals, chlorine, all of that out of there. The other thing I'm going to use is I'm using witch hazel. Now, if you don't have witch hazel, you can use rubbing alcohol. You just want it above 60%. So you can use that too. Now, I have this, so I'm going to use it. I'm using glycerin because it kind of helps it bind all together. So I'm using this. If you don't have it, that's okay. You don't have to put the glycerin in it. This is vegetable glycerin that I got at Azure Standard. If you have it, use it. If you don't, you can leave it out. It'll still work just as good. And then I'm just using essential oils. So whatever essential oils you have, whatever smells you like, that is it. So I'm going to mix it in my little cup. And then because this has a little spout on it, I'm just going to pour it in my spray bottle. Simps. So 1/3 cup of water. Then I'm going to put a tablespoon of the witch hazel in there, which I did. Okay. Then I'm going to put a tablespoon of the vegetable glycerin in there. Probably should have did this first since it's thicker. I'm just going to mix that in there. Get the vegetable glycerin all off the measuring spoon. Okay. Now, I like a good smelling scent, right? And I like the citrus. So I'm going to put about 10 to 20 drops of each of this. I'm going to use lavender. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I'm using about 10 of lavender, and then I love my citrus. So I'm going to do about 10 to 15 of orange. Okay. And then I'm going to do about the same, about 10 of lemongrass. Oops, and this one doesn't have a little dropper in it, so I'm going to use my dropper that I brought over. And the last one I brought was grapefruit. Now, like I said, you use whatever scents you want. You don't have to use this many. I just like a really good, strong smelling, make it so it doesn't smell so bad. So I'm going to do another about 10 to 15 of grapefruit. Now, I'm just going to mix that up. That smells nice and fresh. I actually smell a lot of the lemon. I think I'm going to add just a little bit more of grapefruit. And that's just kind of with essential oils. You make it how you like it. And I think I'm going to add just a tiny bit more of the orange. So I did about 5 more of each of those. I'm going to mix it up and smell. See how I like it. Oh yeah, that's delicious. And I think I'm going to add just a couple more drops of the lavender just to break it up a little bit. Okay. And now usually, like I said, with essential oils, I like to keep it in a glass bottle because it does make the essential oils last longer. But because I'm traveling, I definitely don't want to do that. Oh yeah, that is amazing. Oh, I added that little lavender. It just adds something other than just the plain citrus. And then I'm just going to pour it into my bottle here. And look at that. It is literally almost a room smell amazing. So there you have it. Your own homemade Poo Pouri. Never have to have it. If you boys, you never have to have a stinky bathroom again. Yay! All right, everyone. Thanks for watching. Be blessed. Have a great day. And remember, you're loved. Bye.